Good evening, ladies and gentlemen. I'd like to talk to you on the subject of dogs for defense. Today, dogs are being inducted into the Army the same as men, and they are playing a vital part in our war program. Dogs have proven themselves extremely valuable for such important jobs as messengers, guard duty, life-saving, and numerous other tasks required by the Army. Before we accept a dog, he must pass the intelligence test. Our trainer, Andy Panda, will test this dog's reasoning powers. Let's see if this fellow can figure it out. Those who pass the test are sent to a training camp. Uh-oh, here comes that bugle boy. After reveille, recruits are served a hearty breakfast. Say, is that real butter?
Well, it ain't lard.
Because of their keen sense of smell, dogs can detect an enemy at great distance.
Neat.
It is very important that Army dogs become accustomed to gunfire. Mr. Dog, meet Mr. Gun, one of our big shots. See? It won't hurt you. Now, watch the same dog's reaction after a few weeks of training. Fire holds no terror for the well-trained dog.
Help! Help!
Gruesome, isn't it? War in the frozen north called for the development of the ski pooch. These dogs are invaluable for rescue work. And by this method of travel, they can reach their objective quickly and safely.
Now, how do you suppose I did that?
And here's the latest innovation. These fearless dogs are taught to leap from speeding planes. And, of course, complete equipment follows. And that, my friends, is a dog's life in the Army.
And don't forget, friends, bonds buy bones.
How do you like that? It's them blamed hiccups again. A physician. Yeah, he can't cure the hiccups, though.
Jerkle, a duck. Calling Dr. Jerkle, a duck. Calling Doctor... Hey, jerk!
Yes?
Duck!
Ik say day and up day, will the hiccup say? Oh, a customer, a patient. I'll be right out.
Put him up, I'll suck her in a puss. That's all, Doc. I'm sick of your mess. Sick of It's me.
Nasty hiccups, nasty, nasty. We'll try the scare cure. That's what we'll do, yes. Ooh. Ooh. Ooh.
some? Ew! Say, who are you?
I'm Chloe. Unless you and me wrestle.
Chloe? Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, dear Chloe. Happy birthday to you. Stop. Sign Frank and Stein. That'll be 36 cents, please. When you hear the tone, the time will be exactly 10:02.
Now you're cooking with gas. That sounds great. Oh, jump a jive.
Stop that lazy, sluggish feeling, Trump.
There they go! It's Rosso Day. No! It's
Hey, Doc. What's cooking? Snooky Wookums. Now I guess you'll behave. Uh-huh. You don't know me very well, do we? You don't know me very well, do we? Oh, you broke my little head! Oh, you broke my little spine! Oh! That's all, folks.
Little Bo Peep had lost her sheep while out in the meadow green. They wandered close by some wolves who were sly, and soon by these wolves they were seen. These nasty old wolves dressed one of their kind to look like little Bo Peep. Out he did go with one thought in mind, to capture the poor little sheep. brutes! What cowards! What fiends!
What lamb chops!
Mighty Mouse! He's off. Mighty Mouse proves again that he's the champion of sheep and men.